Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I wanted to take and show you all mail unboxing video. So I've received some fan mail across a really long period of time. There's been some really good items, and I just wanted to take and extend my thanks to everyone who has sent me some stuff. You know, I really do have a lot of gratitude, and you all have been so very kind. It's made me very just grateful to have such a great community here on YouTube. So I wanted to show you guys, share a little bit. I'm not going to share any of the people's identities. If you know who you are and you want to take and chime in, say, hey, I sent that item or something like that, you can do that in the comment section. I'm going to leave you with a little bit of, whatever they call that, indemnity. I don't know what you call it. But anyways, somebody will correct me in the comment section for sure. So one of the things that I took and got here recently from a subscriber was a whole pile of merchandise stickers. Absolutely amazing. These are like a vinyl of some kind. They're super heavy duty stickers, and we've got some giveaways planned for using some of these in and things like that. They are very heavy duty stickers. Let me make sure we're in shot here. Yes, we are. Okay. So, you know, it came with two types. You know, it came with the, the rounds and the squares like that. And it came at these, which show the thing behind it. So whatever color of whatever is behind it, it's kind of like a lattice work. Really cool. And again, I've got squares of those as well. A whole slew of stickers. This isn't all of them. This is just some of them. Greatly appreciate that. I also had somebody, let me open this up, I'm not going to share the postal address or anything like that. Get this opened up, leave it laying down. I've had tons of you send me safety glasses. And see, I've already been wearing a pair. These are awesome. Thank you so much for these. They do work pretty well from my estimation, the ones I felt. These here are a little tight. They're like a polarized ones to protect your eyes from the UV light, UV radiation, and things like that. And I think these are the same thing, but they're just in clear. So this is like for out in the sun. This is for like indoors. Again, greatly appreciate that. That's awesome. Let's see here. Bring on my next thing. And here's another one. Somebody sent me, came in a nice Amazon gift bag. Pull that out, that's kind of nice. Whoop. And these were yet again more safety glasses. Very awesome. These are the type that have the seal all the way around the eyes, which I thought was pretty impressive. That's awesome. I'm definitely going to try these out and get some use out of them. Again, a different color, same thing, with the seals all the way around the eyes. Can't thank you enough for that. That was awesome. So one of the last things I got to show you, and there's a few others, but I just wasn't able to rally them up for this video just yet. I've got some other plans and other videos for them. If I didn't show anything off there. This one here, I will mention this one. This one came from Dan Roswood, and you guys know him as Chirpy at Chirpy's Tinkerings. If you don't know him, I'll put a link to his channel down below. Anyways, I had Dan Roswood come out. Came with a great sticker. This thing was hilarious. I love this. This is a bit of merchandise. I had Dan Roswood and Chirpy Tinkering out. They came by for a visit. As they were traveling through the area, heading up to Paul at Paul's Garage's house, and they wanted to stop in my place. And when they did, they brought. We had a really great time. They were here for a day, and we hung out, we forged, we had a really great time. And part of that is we kind of started a little inside joke on Chirpy. So Chirpy is a machinist, and he's kind of particular about everything and being straight. And so, he created me a t-shirt with my face on it. in effigy. And it says, don't look chirpy. And it's something I had said because he was kind of pointing out how some things weren't quite straight and things. And I just said, don't look chirpy. You know, look away. It's not square and it's not to 100,000ths of an inch. And so anyways, it was a laugh. And then it says, damn machinist, always peculiar. And so it was another little inside joke that was running around. And anyways, just thank you for that, Dan. You guys really made me chuckle, and I really needed that today. I kind of just got done replying to some bad comments and things like that. And this was really awesome to get this in the mail. So thank you once again. Big shout out to you. Anyways, so that's it for this little mail unboxing. I hope that was enough to satisfy your curiosity of what I've been up to. I've been up to a lot of different things here lately. Again, this isn't a regular video for me. This is just where I wanted to give some people just some thanks and let you all know I really do appreciate you, and you help to keep me humble each and every day. So that's it for today. If you like this video, remember to leave a like. Go on and check out some of the other great videos on the channel. And if you like what Jessica and I do and you'd like to support us on this channel, the best way to do that is to go over to our blacksmithing page, blacksmithpdfs.com. That is our website, and you can find additional information on merchandise and all sorts of goodies, from power hammer plans to e-courses and e-books and all sorts of goodies there to take and help you on your journey of blacksmithing. So that's it for today. God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.